Hi! In front of me is Nokia 6310 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this Nokia. First of all, go into menu. Now you need to find voice recorder and select it. After that, click on the middle button to start a recording. You can pause it and unpause it by tapping on the same one. If you wish to stop your recording, click on the right button. If you want to access the list of all of them, tap on the left one, select recordings, choose voice ones, and tap on open to listen to your recording. If you wish to rename it, choose left button, select rename, type wherever you want to, and save your changes by tapping on OK. If you wish to delete your recording, you have to go into options over here by tapping on left button and select delete. Then confirm your choice by tapping on the middle button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!